Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Ford Fiesta steering wheel step by step. Start by disconnecting the battery and waiting at least 10 minutes to prevent accidental airbag deployment. Remove the center trim and locate the airbag fasteners on the wheel rear. Use a pick to release the fasteners gently, lift the airbag clear, and unplug the electrical connectors before placing the module face up on a safe, static-free surface. Once the airbag is safely removed, mark the steering shaft and wheel so alignment stays consistent when reinstalling. Loosen and remove the central retaining nut with an appropriate socket, then note any washers or spacers for correct reassembly. Attach a steering wheel puller to the wheel studs and apply steady pressure to free the wheel from the column splines. Take care not to force the wheel and damage the clock spring or wiring harnesses. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a refreshing cabin scent, perfect during hands-on projects and long drives. I've linked it and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Fit the replacement wheel onto the shaft by aligning the marks you made earlier to ensure true steering center. Thread the central nut by hand to avoid cross-threading, then torque it to the proper specification using a calibrated wrench for safety. Reconnect the clock spring and plug in all electrical connectors, verifying functionality of the horn and steering controls before reinstalling the airbag. Finally, secure the airbag and trim, then reconnect the battery and test drive carefully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.